Hi, this is Alan at Ripperton Resources. And today I want to announce our new product. This product is designed based on our previous version of a battery charger holder. The original one was the rapid charger. We had 3 customers ask us to create one for this standard charger. Model number 48-59-1812. The standard charger that you get with most kits that come from Milwaukee. It's the most common charger. And as you can see, it will mount and dismount just like the rapid charger. You can put it in place just like all of our other products. It'll snap into place and it's not going to go anywhere. To install the charger in the mount, just simply push it forward. Make sure you have the cord coming out there and just slide it down. It's very easy. The tabs that we provide 6 tabs. They're going to fit very tight. And if you can't work them in, if they don't go in by rocking back and forth, and if it get really hard, sometimes they can get really not in place, take a rubber hammer or something similar and just barely tap it into place, and it will tap it down until you hear it pop like that, and so there's a little snap. And you're going to do that. I install 2. I don't think you need any more than that. We provide more so that you'll have spares. You can see that's the easiest way to get them in. And this isn't coming out. It's in there very securely. It's not going to work its way out. The tabs have a little ridge in it that when it gets past the end of the end of the bracket here, it'll hold it in place. Now to get them out, if you ever want to take them back off, you have to use like a screwdriver or something like this and slide it in. And you'll have to work it out from the top of the tab to the bottom. Might take a few because they're in there pretty tight. Be careful. And remember to do it from top to bottom so that it kind of works itself out. And then I do it by hand the last little bit. And so that's how you get them out. The other one will come out the same way. We'll be offering these in red and in black. And if you want a custom color, please contact us. The contact information is going to be shown on the video. You can contact us and we can print these up in just about any color you'd like, as long as we can source the material. We also wanted to let you know that we do offer 3D printing services. We also offer 3D design and 3D scanning services. These products, like I said before, came as a customer request. We occasionally get requests for products, and we're more than happy to take a look at what your needs are and come up with a custom solution that can be 3D printed.